A world where no job is too big and no kid is too small.
I'm not coming out. It's too scary.
Okay, Alex. Just a few more things to buy for the cafe.
Grandpa, I really need to use the bathroom.
The restrooms are right there, Alex. Do you want me to come in with you?
No thanks, Grandpa. I'm a big boy now. I can go by myself.
Okay, big boy. I'll be waiting right here on this bench. Don't take too long.
Here I go. Wow, it's echoey in here. This one looks good. What's that blinking light? Yikes! It flushed by itself. It's too loud! It sounds like a monster! I'm locking the door! Keep the monsters out! I'm not coming out. It's too scary.
He's been in there a while. Alex? Alex? Are you okay?
Alex? Grandpa is here. Is everything all right?
Go away! The robots are loud! I'm stuck!
You're locked in? Alex, just slide the latch back.
My hands are shaking. I can't. Don't make me come out. The noises will get me.
Don't worry, Alex. Grandpa is going to call for some expert help.
Ryder, we have an emergency at the mall.
Ryder here. What's wrong, Mr. Porter?
Alex is locked in a restroom stall. He's terrified of the automatic noises and refuses to unlock the door.
Loud noises can be scary. Don't worry, Mr. Porter. No job is too big, no pup is too small. PAW Patrol, hook out, to the lookout.
Ryder needs us! Let's go! I guess I really peeled out for this mission.
PAW Patrol, ready for action. Ryder, sir. Pups, we have emergency at the mall. Alex is trapped in a restroom stall and is too scared of the loud automatic flushers to come out. Poor Alex.
Those flushers can be really loud if you aren't expecting them.
Chase, I need you and your megaphone. You'll help clear the crowd so it's quiet and talk to Alex through the door.
Spy Chase is on the case.
And Rocky, I need you and your scanner. You can explain the sensors to Alex so he knows they are just machines, not monsters.
Arf! Green means go.
PAW Patrol is on a roll.
Oh, thank goodness you're here. He's still inside. Don't worry, Mr. Porter. We're on it. Please clear the area. We need quiet for a rescue.
Okay. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, Alex? It's Ryder.
We're here. Ryder? I can't come out. The machines are angry.
Alex, it's Rocky. I'm scanning the room. There are no monsters here, just sensors. See? The loud noise is just a machine doing its job to keep things clean. It only turns on when it sees you move.
It sees me? Like a robot helper?
That's right, Alex. Now, can you try to slide the lock? I'll talk you through it. Deep breath.
It's stuck. I can't move it. Chase, use your suction cup gear to help pull the door while he pushes.
Rough! Suction cup! Got it! Alex, on the count of 3, you push the lock, and I'll pull the door to loosen it. 1, 2, 3.
I did it! Oh, Grandpa!
Oh, Alex, I'm so proud of you for being brave. The lock was just a little rusty. I'll fix it so it doesn't stick again.
Hi, Paul, Alex. You faced your fear. See? It's just a noisy drawing robot. I'm not scared. Great job, Pups. And great job, Alex. I'm the Restroom Ranger. Bye, Alex. Bye, Pups. Whenever you're in trouble, just yelp for help.
Safety tip. If a loud noise scares you in a bathroom, cover your ears and stay calm. It's just a machine cleaning up. And remember, never lock the door if you don't know how to unlock it. Ask a grown-up for help first.
Stay safe, Adventure Bay!